my brothers and sisters from Untouchable Mama. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you for subscribing also. Even those when they still they put dislike, una do well. So if I'm gonna not put bad comments, because if I see bad comment, I they block. Especially the audio where they do. If you not like what I talk, you know me put dislike. I will take on. I take on pass say you go they put bad comments. So one love, my brothers and sisters. You see me and John talk about some of our girls. This thing they bothering me. They worry me. Since say I want me I talk about these things. You know, say some of our girls for abroad for here. The thing they make me they laugh. If I they see some of them, what that they talk for mouth, and the thing will just they make me they laugh. I'll say, what did they go on? Una no get to na sense again. Some of them, so some of our girls they no get documents. They no get documents. Maybe they get Oyibo, where still they give them money. They will get black boy, and the black boy no get documents. What did they go do? They go find money through that Oyibo. They go gather them. They will give the boy make to do documents. You where they give person money to do documents, you no get to. You not get. Me, I don't know whether they do them. If you don't get documents, the boy not get documents. First of all, if you want help person, first help yourself before you help another person. Gather money to do your own document first. May you know say na two leg now you take stand for abroad where you dey. Because as you use one leg take stand, and so the other your boyfriend use one leg take stand. Gather money, do your own first. If you don't do your own, I don't say you not help your boyfriend though. See find money, the boy go see find money, you will give him a do you. No be say you go gather money, you go give the boy mate do documents. And the boy not go do the boy not go do document all the money when you give her, the boy not go do documents. You go they use the money to they build house for Nigeria. You go they say you they gather money, say the boy want do documents. The boy go they tell you say, I never see person when go give me contract. You go where you were. And maybe later, now you can know say, you know even find person when go give her contract. Or the money go they even they tell you say, contractor say you go come surprise say you dey build house for Nigeria. I go say since the document not come now, may I just suffer they do for may they do something for us. You come the answer and say we are not me going when you again what I go say now small thing where they do. So the money where you come answer say the money where I give you where to do document come. You go say I don't see person where give me contract. So the money now just say me I just kukuma because I feel get land now just kukuma send and go ask. Can you imagine? Later, you the girl almost war. You will come dey cry. Say the money where you spend for that boy. If you say no, you will come dey cry. Who sent you? Nobody send you. Nobody send you now. You send yourself. If I hear the hear all this thing, the thing go they pay me for inside here because I go say, when be where we have unoma. Uma kasi ni egbo ene oke asi ni owo ma be. First, may you first do your own first before you go do another person your own. Some of our girls, they are mumu too much, Now so you go see some. The boy go tell and say no get paper. Baby come we can settle down. Especially some of our girls where you just see say maybe God don't bless them with money. Maybe Oyibo they help them well. They don't know what the kind of suffer where they are abroad. All their own and they carry on. Till they were say they throw away the money anyhow because they don't know and they tell they work on. They don't know what the hours be. They don't know and they tell they how much they pay person for hours to work. The man go tell you say me on a concert. Man where they tell you me on a concert. The man not get 1,000 euro for hand. Just because you see you say you they stay with Oyibo when they give you small go say he go they tell you say baby try may you they gather money or if the man go they tell you say may you they gather money may 2 of una take settle on your most very only Man, when they tell you say more na concert, you no go ask and say, ah, you say me will concert, how much you don't gather? If you ask and go, he will tell you say, ah, which kind of question you they ask me? You don't know say now woman then they make come for abroad. Can you imagine? If you hear man will tell you that one, you go run no. What will let the job they run they go because that man not ready for life. Oh. That man not ready. Man when they tell woman say me we can't settle down. The man not get shishi egwe. He won't depend on you because say Oyibo they give you small you they suffer they gather and if you say me you gather your own make two of them can use and take settle. Now one a life. You don't know say if you go there tomorrow. Because when you go say okay, maybe some was there or some way not they use their sense. It there. You go really say me I want settle with this, but me I just settle with this my dakina. I'll just settle with her. You go really gather money, maybe gather money, gather 20,000. You go say me Oyibo do you. You go call me that black. Make the take settle down. That boy no go marry you. Who said the normal na borrow. That money finish, you go push your head come out. Man when they tell you like that, you don't know say na suffer head now you go there for there. That man no go marry you. If that 20,000 don't use on ya con belewa before you go know it in a road now you go there. Before you go know, you go there road. You go there suffer, you go there cry your head say, no be so it tell me. No be so it tell you. No be so it tell you. It's too late to cry that time. Some of our guests more than the wise. Wise. Because to enter marriage house, not be say I want go buy, not be say I want go supermarket, go buy something me I come house. Not be so marriage be oh. Not be so marriage be because some people they feel say, I want settle down, I want settle down, I want settle down. Before you go say you want settle down, look person where you with time day. Before you say I want settle down, not just rush. Say because says something they sweet you. I don't need my boy again. I want to go settle down with this my black. The best way you want to go settle down with any go, any come. Now you depend on because you know say money they come from there. The money where they come from there, go say money can use that to settle down. Before you know it, even ni ahiane, even ni ana imnije you bongwe. And then you come no say, hey, now this money, now I made this boy say me we settle down. Money don't they finish now, I say no need me again. It's too late to cry. If man they tell you someone settle down, you say, okay, baby, I hear. How much you don't gather? Me go see tell you how much I don't gather. If the boy don't tell you say, you don't know say abroad say work no day. Now we be women. Now get money for abroad now. That kind of person tell you that kind of thing. We're marrying here well. I depend on you. I depend on you. Even if I you, why I depend on you again? That means who are you? So think before you do anything. Think before you do anything. Especially women, because some boys, some our boys, they don't want boy being him. And your boy. And some women, I don't know what they wear on for their head. When I know the thing before now go say, this boy say me we settle down. If the man you tell you say me settle down, you say okay, no problem. I'll just talk to my Oyibo. If the Oyibo just give me this kind of amount, really, we'll just settle down. Who tell you? You want to phone? Ogie. So wise up. One of the wise. I don't say more no help. If be I want to settle, okay. Me you they gather your me still they gather my own. Before now come say, you know how much you can't deal with you now we want to settle down. Because abroad no easy. You can't pay house rent, you can't pay water, you can't pay everything for abroad now pay anything. Anything at all you must pay. Then be abroad for you. So before you say you want to settle down with person, know your level, know where you stand put. May you not go through away your opportunity where you get for hand though. If you don't throw when I say don't finish you, then say opportunity come back to once. Opportunity now bye no. So you reason before you do anything. Sit down, may you think and say this is where I want to do so because now they get small. May I true go settle with this one. Or me I feel wait, me I feel look waiting this one, waiting get for mine because some of our boys they get that and no one else out there talking. So women, Mona wise, mona open her eye well before you do anything. Mona open her eye well before you do anything. Eh? So my brothers and sisters, it's a general message to everybody. Now general. Some of our women still there. Me I just still rush talk this one. Wait till they worry some of our women now. Wait till just they worry them now. I want bon. Now it can't be there. It can't be music for them. They don't care. Oh, even though say you not get anything. Oh. I want bon. Be there. Oh. Women. I want bon. Even though say the man not care, I will come be single mother. Now so your mama take born you, train you. No, not be so. Eh? Oh, me I back come. This one where we come there now. If you don't hear this one, go say, I don't go 35 years. I want any man talk. Now so if you see what is some girls they talk, the thing go there. I go they ask myself say, oh na zoa be okiza. Any man talk. I don't say me marry me oh. Any man no get what I want use marry to do. So if I may just give me belly, me I born. Can you imagine? You know what they come out for your mouth. You know they think about tomorrow. May just give you belly, may you born. So if I may you born. Now that one come the rain now. The thing they surprise me. I'll say what you know they talk come out from a mouth. You know if you say okay, you want to look for man because some men still there, we still ready, we still say we still there responsible. You know if you look for that one. When may you say, now this person, now I want me with her will get future. Huh? All of them now, I want born, they don't want marry. They don't want even think whether you with someone, now you with her will grow the child. Waiting be their house, so far don't born. Don't be so. Because if you they do like that, this one will give you belly, you born. The other one will give you belly, you born. You can't be single mother for everywhere. The children where you born will come be 3 children, 3 man. Which is very bad. One of they open eye before now they do anything. Because later, person will come they blame the men, say, all these men are too useless. Until they make women till they do single mother. Some of our women and they call some. How can you say you with man job? Now that is una job meet maybe for 2 months. You go tell the man say, I get belly. How you tell man say you get belly 2 months when you never even know the man? How you go know man for just 2 months? You go come tell the man say I get belly. You will never even play reach anywhere. You never even know the man, the kind of person where he be, the kind of even some even they not even reach 2 months self. You go say now only 3 days like they don't know. Maybe now only a week. You go come tell and say you get belly. My sister. They know they do like I need the only they know they do like that too. Because some of them they cause someone be single mother. All this kind of thing. Person, you never even know the kind of person where you with and they together. Just because of say you with and don't meet. You don't get belly. Oh, they buy you, woman they hold itself. Woman they hold itself. Not because of say you want born. You just the first man where go join meet you, you just tell and say, you know what thing, I get belly. No be so. No be so. Because we sometimes they blame some we don't blame men. But some of women they see they cause all this problem. Some women they cause you don't feel normal for 2 months when you tell and say you get belly. They beji, they beji. At least they know the man where you with one stay in future. How you demand, how the character, how your own character, whether the 2 characters will fit stay together because this marriage not be waiting you enter, you see run come out. No. At least you have to stay with man for 6 months. You want to stay together for 6 months before you say, okay, we go feel stay because some women they don't even care. And this one not the rain now. Before you know anything, go tell you say, I don't take him. And I know they come out town. So they go say I know they come out town. Or to Ajaba home. I want born. Can you imagine? So we can't blame the men. Wait till they make me see they blame the men. You will be man. You know say if you near woman, be a normal that is normal only Man wey know say he no want pikin for now. Thank God say this thing dey when they put. Wanna see they do use am. Because if you use am, the woman not taking. So men, they don't even want to hear that thing to use. They don't want to hear that thing whether they use. But if you don't use am, if that woman just finish a period, you know say hey, pikin they come up. Wanna see the wives, wanna see they use on a brain. This one I go for the men. Wanna see they use on a brain. Because some women, they too their eye, you up reach back or waiting they need na pikin. Waiting they just need na pikin. They don't care whether you love her or you not love her. Your character go together, not go together. So family just make she just taking. Go say one bon. Before you know, you go tell you say no want you again safe. Maybe small quarrel you just come like go say, VME, why I don't need you, I don't need you. Thank God say Germany they there, go Germany, they go. Now that side, then they come, they run, they go. So my brothers and sisters, especially this May, wanna see the wide, wanna see the open her eye. Wanna see the open her eye. If you know say you know what make woman tell you say I get belly. If one not reach you, put two. Yet it aleme. Put two because be a normal one or more. Oh, be near ye be, ma no be ye be. Buy what you want put on. So my brothers and sisters, all these things, all these things. Now we dey cause some by ourselves. Later we'll come the talk say, egbe wa woman. You might want make when life in you while living now. Everything where I just they put on, they go just they go like this, go like that. I born for John. John said this and this. I born for the other one, said this and this. Maybe na papa, maybe na my papa wife na come they worry me so. I be na the other. You come they give so story. Maybe na that friend. Maybe na my friend. Maybe when me with her they stay for the same house. I be na them wishing me so. Now you they wishing yourself. Now you they wishing yourself because you don't feel no man under 2 months. When you tell her say me come marry you, say you na one two of una come born, una come they stay together. Una no know una self. Una never even know una self. Because to stay together, it hard. To stay together, it hard, because your character with you, if you not jump together, it hard. That marriage, anywhere, if you do it today, the next tomorrow you they carry your bag, they come out. So my brothers and sisters, more they stay together, more they understand una self before now to say I get belly. Only now they for then another one again. Especially this one go for those people who get documents for hand, especially those women who get documents. So women there for this abroad, they get documents for hand. If they tell you say normal work, yeah normal work, yeah pay bon. You know the work where the woman they go na club. They go club. You go say if club no good, I'll go road. All those women where they do that kind of thing. Those one where they do that kind of thing now they talk so. When you go get your document, no one no ya wina. You will get document. You go they pay. You go put on for autonomous. Where you pay autonomous. Can you imagine? I dey hear those things. I dey hear now go say, if they exist. I go still dey hear some people even they talk and say, my paper there for autonomous. I say, why you put on for autonomous? Normal job. I don't like normal job. I no fit. You just there. How much they pay? They know they pay better money. 1 hour, 6 euro, 7 euro, 5 euro. But yawu, in when I here. Me a wala dia, iwa hit. If today I just say 300, I go follow me, 300, I go follow me. Can you imagine? Go over your name. Winne ni ati ede. Then woman way I open too much for money. On a mi woto mo donne. Bre o ve o yare bani. O we ni waro. Ogeni na, no mi de ni ware manana. Nya wata we. if I just talk and say, today na 500 go follow me come, na 500 then go follow me come. Can you imagine? Why everywhere? You get your paper for your hand. You go put out for autonomo. You dey use yourself till they work. I beg. Women where they do that kind of thing. Women where they do that kind of thing. Before you go see my way go say, we go take you serious, put for us. Oh, they worry because no men like others. Nyama nyama tiwona they do. No men like them. So men wey like them, now those useless one where they escort their own women, go they enter bus, go where they want go. Now those men I like them, and those men they not go marry you. Like even though son don't stay for 20 years, 30 years, now son go date there because if they look you like you become a machine. Those men where they escort, you go say na my woman be this. You go they escort a woman reach a train station or reach where one even they drop her self. You go they drop her for there. What kind of man you be? Which kind of man you be? Your own woman, where you call say your woman. Another man go they touch her. You know they pay you. If the woman even call self, you go even they ask and say, baby, how was work? Which work you send now? The woman will even they tell you say, that man Ibo we just they give me money. The Ibo no come. Like say he come something for joy enter. My sister. Almost what we were him we. Nya wari ya wewa. Nya ya wewa. Man, when you talk say you're not your boyfriend, he go they ask you say, how work? You know ask and say which work you give me where I go. He go even escort you. Put for where you want enter bus. He go sleep for his house. You go inside cold, go stand. Huh? You go inside cold, go stand. He go sleep for inside kaducho. Go sleep for inside there. When you go come back, he go come ask you say, how was the work yesterday? Then you go come tell and say, that's Oyibo, that my Oyibo where they tell you. Now Oyibo not just come, like say come, money for just day. But it's not too bad, so they see they okay. You go they expect say now that man go marry you put for us. If you come out for there, he go laugh tire. He go say, oh, now this one no even know. He don't know the one where she did. If I don't use and finish, I go dump and put for there. Mom will go for very and Namajao. Wanna open her eye. So we may many for this abroad where we did so. They many where they don't stay with man for 10 years. 10 good years in with the man go day for his house. The man never even tell and say, I won't go put money for your head. Because the woman still they go work. You still they go there waiting that they call, whether not work that they call her, because not work then they call her. 10 years, even the man go there for his house. Now she go they pay for her strength. Now she go pay for water, everything, boy. Maybe the man they do one kind work where money not they come out, or maybe sometimes he go work, sometimes he not go. But the man go they tell you say, I too love you. What say you love? Because if they bring money come, that make you say you love her. If you be that kind of man, you are a useless man. You don't be man, not call yourself man, because man will love woman. You know the agreement another person look out. If another person touch her, hey, he go cut dirty hands through away. You will be woman, open your eye, you know, say that man. He go where now the money where they bring connect love, no be you. No be you. Man go tell you say, today na Saturday oh. You know go work today. Oh God. Maybe not just this for Saturday. He go tell you say, today na Saturday. You know go work today. I be today na Friday. You know go work. You know say you dey talk say now every Friday, weekend, now there they full well. Can you imagine they push you make you dey go bring money come or push you where here? We no more when they get in here. Ya why day you come dey use am take dey cook. Ogbono, egusi, dogbema your why. Tomorrow now you come dey cry. That man, the money where I spent for you come dey curse am. The money where I spent for you not tell you may spend for now. Now you dey use am. Now you dey spend the money for now because now you know wise. Because like say you wise, you for no they put your paper for autonomous. They do the work wey they do. They use yourself till they find money. When normal job dey, you go say normal job money not dey. My yawo, I always need yetting. If I just come, if I say na 300, it go come. If I say na 500, it go come. Hey, get worry, na your time na they go. Before you know it, you don't in your mind. I give you no more. Nobody go carry again. Nobody go carry again. If person they talk now, person people will say, "Hey, what it can concern you? What it can be your own?" But we have to talk, cause some people they know their brain. Yeah, move go talk. Their brain not come correct again. If you not talk to them, they not go know say the way that they do is not good. The truth have to be said. Some people, if you not talk to them, they don't know what they're supposed to do. Whether na juju they say they hold them on me, I don't know. How can you with man go there for his house? Now you they pay house rent, now you they pay money one the food, water, bobo, everything. The man just lock you for his house. The day when you know go self, you go they push you, say, today na weekend though. Today na weekend, go they put on for his side. Today na weekend, you know say, there go your food today. Me I dress, me I come follow, me I come escort you. Can you imagine? Man, they tell woman like that. You know, you will be woman, you don't want to say, this man just they push me and they go this kind of thing. He never even has that me say, come on for this thing. Try to look for normal job make they do. So my sisters, my brothers, especially men when they do that kind of thing, you are an evil man. Because not only evil man ain't go they do that thing to a woman. Because not to say you love the woman. The body where don't carry go give another man for outside, give her money. The woman come house, he go bath, he go still like that, you go still like that, put for that. I no, God that beg. Many things there, we're not supposed to they exist, but they exist. Something there we're not supposed to they exist, but they exist. So my brothers and sisters, may I just stop for here. I will still get all that time to talk about many things where they go home. Many things there where they go on, where people know they know. Sometimes if I hear some, my ear go full. It go come out for the other side. I go say, all these things, see they exist. Una know they wise. Una know they wake up for sleep. Una know they grow. I do not think so now they young. If man love you, you must know. Man will not love you, you go know. If you don't know man will love you, you must know. Let's say you blind. The only person will blind. Now you don't know whether man love her, whether man don't love her. Man when they tell you say una one settle. Or maybe una don't date for 5 years. So una one settle 5 years. You don't know say na time they go. He lock you for one place. They tell you say may you wait 5 years, then two of una date together. They tell you say una one settle. Something never good. Me I first off for you. Till my next audio, my brothers and sisters, just let you one. Then maybe next time I will still talk about other things when they go on. Because if I dey hear, I dey like to talk to my people. More na wise, more na open na eye, more na not let person they use now. And so I still be for the men. Now see now I still talk about men side, I still talk about women. Because all those women will go get their own document for hand. They will put out for autonomous. We go they stand for cold weather. You go they stand for discotheque. And that said the normal like Borwe. And so I talk and rich. So my brothers and sisters, I greet you now. I greet everybody. Please, if you don't like what I'm saying, don't put any bad comments. If you put it, I will block you. If you don't like it, you can just be avanti. That's just come out or put dislike. You are free to do that. But if you put bad comments, I must surely block you because I know they like Abadabidi people. Abadabidi people, I know they like them. One love, una good night, una bye bye. Watch out.